Smart Pakistan Facility Solutions, Technology Implementation and Learning Platform. 360-degree view of engineering asset and facility maintenance management, value addition to your facility or organization. We connect people, process and technology. We are the professionals of engineering asset and facility maintenance management, consultancy, CMMS and IoT. We contribute in the development of knowledge-based networking, of quality standards, and emerging technologies, for the standardized, internationally recognized, and safer Pakistan. Our expertise: facility management system, policy and procedures, computerized maintenance management, building automation and IoT, fire intimation and quenching systems, CCTV system, training and development. The Professionals Group with over 40 years of relevant experience and education. We are committed to enhance skill set of quality standards and emerging technologies for technical community through education and consultancy. Please subscribe this channel for more videos to enhance your knowledge and skills.